Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I wanted to share with you this jelly tote bag in the shape of some lips that I purchased from Design Space, Cricut Design Space. I forgot the name of the lady who put this together, but she does have a YouTube and I will have her link down below. I was just on Cricut Design Space looking and I ran across this. And from what I saw, she actually took several pieces from Design Space to put this together, and it is so stinking cute. She also has a jelly tote that she put together in the shape of a heart. So again, I'm going to have her YouTube linked down below in the description box for you to stop by and show her some crafty love. I just wanted to share this with you. Quick, easy, and simple. The paper that I used is called Gal Meets Glam, and it's by My Mind's Eye. And I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So this is the tote bag here. And this little girl here came from, I want to say, Cadoodlebug. And these little pieces here, they came from some foam stickers that I had in my stash. In the inside of the bag, I've already shared that with you, actually, some things that I did last year. And I am sending this out as some surprise Happy Mail. But I wanted to show you guys this cute little lip jelly tote. So this is the front. I did do some stitching around here, if you can see that. So stinking cute. And this is the back of it. You get a better look at how it looks. So pretty. It also comes with a little piece that goes across for the line of the lip. You have the option to use that or not, and as you can see, I chose not to use it, but it is absolutely adorable. I love it. And again, just going through Cricut Design Space, I saw this. And make sure you guys stop by her channel. I'm so sorry that I can't remember her name. But again, I'm going to have it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. You know that I definitely appreciate it. And you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.